Maggie and Daryl are looking at a campsite on their computer.
Wow, Sun Moon Lake looks like such a beautiful place. I can't believe we get to camp there.
I know, right? I want to stay as close to the lake as we can.
Ooh, I'm not sure about that. There'll be mosquitoes by the water.
Maggie, we're staying in a tent. We're gonna get bitten anyway. It's just part of the camping experience.
Hold on a second. I never said I was staying in a tent. It'll be far too hot for that. Now that's what I had in mind. A lovely camper van complete with AC, a fridge, and a toilet.
It does look comfortable. All right, the camper van it is.
On the first morning of their camping trip, Daryl is cooking food outside.
Yum! That smells delicious.
Thanks. The toast is on the table and the sausages are nearly ready. Would you like an egg?
A sunny side up one, please.
Coming right up.
I'll do the toughest job. Pouring 2 glasses of milk.
Don't push yourself too hard. How's your egg?
It's nice, but it's a little overcooked. Sorry, I shouldn't complain.
Yeah, mine's the same. I wanted it to be much runnier than it is.
Well, camping wouldn't be camping without the odd mishap.